Boy, it's shaping up to be a great day, isn't it? So we're here at one of our favorite spots that we love to come here with the big bass. We hope to get some big ones. It is Memorial Day. I am sporting the red, white, and blue Magellan shirt, if y'all can see that or not. But he's got his blue.
I got blue.
Yeah, so. Yeah, but anyways. So we're here to fish on Memorial Day and have a few drinks and have a good time. So enjoy the video. Let's get to it. Well, as you can see, we have the Outlaws. We decided to give our pedal drives a break. We just want to go back to the river, creek fishing. The last two videos we had, we've only caught like maybe 3 between the two of us. So we figured, you know what, let's go back to the creeks, get the Outlaws going again, and try to get on multiple fish.
If we don't get multiple fish today, then we just suck.
Yeah. So and also this is the reason why we came out here in anticipation of getting multiple good sized fish.
Got hung up on a tree, but this might be a friendly reminder to if you ever get hung up and you got to go under a tree, always be weary of those old water moccasins. Well, finally, after what seemed like 47 hours, first one of the day. Nothing to brag about, but you know, a little spotted. All right, one more look. Little, man, you got bloodshot eyes. Look at that. Not a giant, but it's a start. Let's go. Finally a decent one. Of course I got a big old freaking mess here now. She's off. Alright, maybe now we're getting to the land of the giants. Or at least the bigger ones.
So my GoPro's acting up for some odd reason. Probably got too damn hot, but I finally nailed one. Bugs are going after it, so I'm gonna release this guy and set her on its way. Well, I'm recording from my phone, so yeah, very expensive iPhone that I don't want to lose here, so I'll just let her go right there. Hit it, dude. Sweet. Finally, the skunk is off. Thank goodness. And now I gotta figure out what's wrong with my damn phone, or not my phone, my GoPro.
Sorry folks, I had the camera. Ooh, that just popped out. Look at that. Got me a decent one again. It's a nice one. Healthy one.
Oh, I thought it was bigger.
So did I. So got that one on the little spinner bait thing. The spinner bait without a skirt. I guess an overspin. You fucking carp.
Okay, I don't know what is going on with my GoPro today, but I thought I was recording and all of a sudden it just shut off. And working on this one for a little bit, but yeah, I had a lot bigger than what I thought he was. He looked a lot smaller underwater, but you're free to go, buddy. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh yeah. Number 3. And we're at the foot of the dam, but yeah, that was a lot of work right there. Shallow area, but yes. My camera's just been messing up all day. I think it's just getting too hot. I really don't know what's going on with it. I've tried to take the battery out and try to let it reset, and I don't know what's going on with it. soon.
Hanging out in the shade here. Well, it got hot. Just stay here. I could fall asleep right now. Probably wake up with some water moccasins crawling all over me. Mosquito bites. I gotta get up that dang dam. There's a catfish over here. Try to get him.
You get him?
Fucking net wouldn't move under the water. I gotta go up that mother.
Damn 80-pound kayaks up past the 7-foot dam, and then we'll continue on.
This is the fun part.
Yep. This is how we do it. And this is concrete, by the way, so we put our life vest up there to keep it from getting strapped to the heat pool.
We usually have a towel,
Yeah, but
we forgot one.
Yeah, it's slick as hell. Right? There. One more pull on your end. Pull up one more if you can. That was a better one.
Military helicopters up there, Memorial Day. Thank you to everyone that has served, is serving, and will serve. God bless you all, and thank you. It's peeing on me. Oh my God. Jeez. Are you done?
How much is in there?
Jeez. Maybe. Ow. Almost hit myself. Oh. Good old little rock bass. Hope y'all got a laugh out of that.
Oh, let me tell you, I'm ready to go home and get out of these dang clothes and change into something more comfortable. And I need more cold beer. But happy Memorial Day, guys. I just want to say a thank you to anybody who has, is, and will ever serve in the military. We thank you very much. God bless you, and thank you for everything that you do. Yes, we certainly do appreciate it, guys. And we also appreciate you guys for viewing this video. Unfortunately, we did not get as much footage as we anticipated, but you know, we're just in a slump right now. Hopefully this coming Sunday, that will all change as we head south. Not gonna tell you where, but we're heading south. So hopefully, and we haven't been there in 2 years, so hopefully we can get more than what we did today. So, and I'm burnt as hell. Man, I look like a lobster right now.
Let's go inside his car.
Yeah, so thank y'all for watching us. And again, thank you to all the veterans who sacrificed for our freedoms. We thank y'all. Y'all have a good one. Y'all stay safe. We'll see y'all next time.